Got another difficult job to tell you about. It's about a tree. It's broken, rotten, waterlogged. It's heavy. Okay. It's hanging over another limb, and this limb is holding that limb on from falling. In other words, you could walk underneath it, it could fall. It's another hazard. They got water every time we go in the woods. They got water and mud. So what we have to do is put on the old boots, sharpen the chainsaw, take one limb at a time. I'll show you what I'm talking about when I get out there. So give me a minute to get my boots on. I'll be back in a little bit. Sure you can see my problem out here. It's muddy. Everything's getting sloppy and dirty. As you see this tree behind you, that's what's gonna happen. And I'm gonna be down there, underneath it, with my leg broken. I don't want that to happen. It's not really a nice day to be doing this, but I gotta get it done.
Can you do a favor for me before you start? There's a picker bush in my garden.
Oh yeah? As you can see, the root of the problem.
Thanks.
If you don't get to the root, you got a problem. Get it? The root of the problem. Let it grow out here. Perfect. We'll be taking this tree out, get it out the way, this one. That way when all this falls, hopefully it won't fall on me. Cracked. It's definitely broken. Look like that one will be next, but it's got a little bit more to go. Okay. Problem is, when I cut this, that falls. Will it fall this way? Will it fall on me? That's a pretty heavy limb. When that baby fell right there, that was just a little small piece. It has some weight. What we're gonna do is tie a rope right here and give a couple little pulls. It should all fall down until I get that other piece off. But that's the plan. Get a rope, pull that way. I think we'll be safe. I'm glad somebody gave me these boots. Remember that song, Boots Are Made for Walking? ties my rope all up in knots. She ties it on her little wagon. I can show you in a few minutes. All up a bunch of knots. I don't know if she even knows how to untie them. I took a 10-pound hammer, came on this side of the tree. See, this side is safe, behind this tree. Took it and hit that with that hammer and knocked that piece off because it's already broken. Let's try that. This is what you call a fire axe. There's a fire, you need this axe. I don't know why I need an axe. There's a fire. Usually if there's a fire, I'll run. This is not the hammer I want, is in the front. But I'm gonna try this one. Woohoo! There he is. Wow. What it is, they're trying to circle, circle, circle and get off the hook. That's why you have to use a swivel. So the swivel just turns. That's a good one. Blue catfish. I may have to get you to help me. There you go. Oh, try again. I got to get his head in the net like that. Good job, Nana. Woo! That's 3 in a row. 3.